Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. It's Daniel Finance. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make simple money online by just doing simple tax. The tax is so easy and it's so simple. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, even though you don't know how to use an Android device, you can make money on this website, on this platform. So just grab your Android phone, watch this video, and just learn how to make simple money as a student or maybe as a worker anywhere in Nigeria. You can make money from this platform. So now, mainly this video is mainly for Nigerians. So if you're a Nigerian, you're very lucky to see such video and you will make much money from this video. So without wasting time, let's quickly visit the website and learn how to make money on this platform. But before we visit that platform, I would like you to help me click on the subscribe button. Help me click on it and also turn on your notification bell in order to get my updates whenever I post a new video. So on your device, I would like you to go to your Chrome browser. When you visit your Chrome browser, type www.nairaworkers.com. Now when you type it, this is how your platform is going to look like. Look at the home page. You'll see Naira Workers, your freelancing. Now you can see you can post a job there, and you can also browse job work and gain money. Now on this website, if you want to promote any website, or maybe you want to promote your YouTube channel, you can promote it as a Nigerian here on this platform. When you post your job, when you perform tasks and you gain money from this website, you can use that money to repost your own job. And people will visit your website, people will visit your YouTube channel, people will watch your video, some might even like. So now this is how this website work. So now, how can we sign up on this platform? Now click on this navigation bar at the top right corner and you click on register. Now this is a registration page. You're going to put in your first name, your last name, and your gender. Whether you're a male or a female, you choose one. Then you put in your email address. That is a valid email address. Yeah, an email address that is working very well, that you can receive message from. So make sure you put a valid email address. Then you can put your referral, that is if you use a referral link, and you can also then you put your password and you confirm your password. After that, you click on the sign up button. Now listen, when you click on the sign up button, don't just walk away. You just have to wait for a verification code. They will send you a verification code that you're going to use to verify your account. You're going to put that code and you activate your account. Now after activating your account, you quickly log into your account. Now let's log in. You log in, you put in your email, then you put in your password. Now this is how your dashboard will look like when you sign up to this account. Now look at it. Welcome, Daniel Finance. And now this is my account. As you can see, my account is 00000 because I created this account for the purpose of this video, so I can show you how to perform different tasks on this website. Now let's see, how can we perform tasks on this website? You quickly come to your navigation bar at the right top corner and you click on available job. Now there's so many jobs available on this website. We have most recent, we have highest paying job. If you want most recent job, you can get the most recent job, that is jobs that are active at the moment. And if you want highest paying job, you can get highest paying job as long as you can perform the task. And I bet you are sure, I'm giving you sure assurance that you can perform any task on this website with just your mobile phone. You don't need a laptop, then an iPhone, just your Android phone. You can perform simple tags on this website. As you can see, we have different here is forest training. Here we have Funia Mandela TV. Here we have site also sign up. Here we have 5 billion sales.com. Here we have GG sign up with a new account and verified phone number. As you can see, with different price on Nigerian currency. Now let's quickly see how to perform one of these tags. Now let's try this forex training WhatsApp. Then you click on view job in order to perform your tags. Now this is the job details. You can see what is expected from workers: 7 days free forest training, the Light Academy 2022 life mentorship program. Now you can see, now require proof that task was finished. The job is to share the full post, write up and link to 3 different groups, WhatsApp or Telegram. Share the post, write up and link to 3 different groups, WhatsApp or Telegram. Once share, you are required to take screenshots of your post, each screenshot for each of the groups you shared it to. Note, you mustn't share to groups you have shared before. You will be immediately paid as soon as your screenshots are reviewed. Ensure to accurately follow the above instructions in order to get paid. Share full posts. Now, how do we share posts on this website? So now, you must have a WhatsApp account or a Telegram. So if you don't have a WhatsApp account, quickly download WhatsApp from Play Store, sign up with your mobile number, and go to Facebook. Join Facebook free. You just click on WhatsApp, just enter your Facebook search icon and search for WhatsApp groups, and you will see so many groups on Facebook that you can join WhatsApp groups from. So you click on WhatsApp group link and you join up to 5 free WhatsApp groups. You can also do the same on Telegram. So now let's quickly perform the task on this website. Now, just have to copy the task right from this place, because they say copy the full post. Now look at it, we are copying the full post. We are copying the full post. Now when you copy, you just have to copy it. After copying it, you visit your WhatsApp. Now this is my WhatsApp account. Now when you visit your WhatsApp, now it is said that you should share the post to 3 different groups. Now you first of all look for one group. Now this is my first group, maybe with 9 people. Then you copy and you paste. Now this is your post. Now they say take a screenshot. Make sure you take a better view of your screenshots. Take the screenshot right from this view. Make it very clear, or you can maybe take 2 screenshots at a time, so at least you can make a complete view of the post. You paste again to another group. Make sure you paste to different groups. Now after pasting, you come back to this website called NAIRA Workers. Now they say you have to send them a proof of your screenshot. Now let's send them a proof. You will choose your file. Number 1, you upload the file. You upload the file. Now look at my screenshots. I have 3 different screenshots from 3 different groups. As you can see, these are my screenshots from 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yes, I have 4 screenshots. Now let's click on the first screenshot. You click on it. Now I've taken my first file. You go again, choose the second file from documents. Now you click on the second from another group, and you go again, choose your file again, I click on the third one from another group. Now you're going to type something like, maybe just to show that at least you have done with your task, just say I have successfully performed the task. I have successfully performed the task. Now when you type something like this, then you click on submit proof. Now this job not finished for this place, not on that. Don't do this video with this level. So when you click on this proof, your video will automatically, as you can see, it will. When you click on the proof, which means you are done with your task. You can continue and create another job and also perform another task. Now look at what they say. They say your proof has been submitted and will be verified. So you just have to go and relax, or you can just go back to your available jobs and you just perform more jobs. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Help me and subscribe and like and share and also comment if you have any question to ask. Thank you very much.